Welcome to our video on the top 5 ways to make money online. If you're a beginner looking for some essential information, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore different online opportunities that can help you generate income from the comfort of your own home. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. With skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start your freelancing journey. Another lucrative way to earn money online is through affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer great opportunities for aspiring affiliate marketers. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model where you set up an online store and sell products without actually having inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is directly shipped from the supplier to the customer. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to start your dropshipping business. If you have expertise in a certain field, you can create and sell online courses or digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad provide a great marketplace to showcase your knowledge and monetize it. Whether it's photography, coding, or personal development, there's a demand for various online courses and digital products. We've explored the top 5 ways to make money online for beginners. Remember, success in any online venture requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. Choose a path that aligns with your skills and interests, and start taking action today. The online world is full of opportunities, and with the right mindset and efforts, you can achieve financial freedom.